So it says in the equations above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively. So B is beef, C is chicken. X weeks after July 1st during the last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of the chicken? So B and C are the price per pound, and we're looking for what the price was when they were equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set B equal to C here. Okay, because it says when they were equal. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Okay, so it's going to be 2.35 plus 0.25x is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40x. Okay, the problem with this is it's only going to tell us what the x value is. Okay, it's not going to actually tell us the price per pound. X is the number of weeks after July 1st. Okay, so, but what we can do is we can take that x and plug it into any of the other equations, either B or C, and figure out what the price per pound was. But we do have to solve for x first. So that's what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do here is subtract off 0.25x from both sides. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract off 1.75 from both sides. Okay, so let me organize this a little bit. You do make sure you write this down. Again, you are going to get a problem like this later on, so you're going to have to solve it. All the problems that we're doing here, you should be able to know how to solve technically. That's why I made those videos for them. This cancels. This cancels. So now you're left with 0.4x minus 0.25x. So that's 0.15x. And then 2.35 minus 1.75 is going to be 0.60. Okay. From here, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.15. Okay, and you should get 4 is equal to x. But we are not looking for x. Okay, we are looking for what is the price per pound. So x is when it happens. It's 4 weeks after July 1st. So what we can do is we can plug in that 4 to either of these equations up here, either B or C, and you're going to get the same answer for both of them because what you just solved for was when they were both equal. Okay. I would pick the one that's easier to work with. In this case, it seems like B is easier to work with the x equals 4. So it's like 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. Well, if you have 4 quarters, you have $1. So it's just going to be 1 plus 2.35 plus 1 is equal to that 3.35 here, which is the answer D. Okay, so it was the most common answer was actually B, but if you actually worked out the math, it should be D for that one. You could do the same thing for C if you want, but the math is a little bit harder to deal with. So if you do C is equal to 1.75 plus 0.40 times 4, okay, times 4, you would get 1.75 plus 1.6, which if you added that up, you again get 3.35. Yeah.